Please welcome Jaypaul.
This is beyond words, I can't explain it. Someone said to me that I was so excited when the girls came. I was like, why not? It's girls. That was so drama. Concentrate. You can see, expect more, pay less. All you gotta do is go for it.
The heads of house are Jackie B, Jaypaul.
Jaypaul, you said. Honestly, it was a shock to me. Winning a heart, I think I've done quite enough. I still want to do more. I think you're a definition of brains and beauty. You're a girl on fire. Take care of that trust like a baby. I won't do anything to hurt you.